Hey everybody, it's Ever from Time Welding back with you again today. Today we're going to be working on a specialty jog cage. Nothing too spectacular, so let's go ahead and get working on that. Got all the pieces cut sitting here. Some people might wonder why I'm always using rebar like this, and the reason being is it keeps things cheaper. This isn't something that needs to be real structural sound. It just needs to be functional. So I tend to try to shy away from just the regular rebar or regular round bar because that costs more. This is yeah, rebar's crappy metal, but for something like this, it works perfect. It's not something that's overly expensive, but I'm just a small little shop sitting here, trying to make things for people that like, so that they like it. Not trying to make a ton of money. I mean, I charge, I admit that straight up, but I charge a lot less than everybody else. I mean, my rates are pretty, well, some people say ridiculously low. I say they're all right for me. This is just my part-time job that I do on the side on my days off. On my days I'm on, I actually work as a paramedic. So this is just something that's a little totally different from what I do. This is my downtime that I can come in here, work out here for a couple hours, have a good time, you know, turn the tunes up, and just go to it. See right here, I'm just trying to get it squared up as best I can. And the next thing we'll do is we'll start measuring corner to corner. You've seen me do that before. By doing that, that'll make sure you got things square. But yeah, like I said, I just like doing this stuff. Used to be a full-time welder and got out of it because you had to worry about getting laid off too much. Right at 16th over 65. Nope, we're off a little bit there. Let's see what we can do. Right there's 3/8, 65 and 3/8. Yeah, we gotta get that to move a little bit. Anyways, like I said, I just like doing this on the side. Keeps me busy. I enjoy doing it for people. There's projects I've done that if it wasn't for me, people wouldn't be able to afford doing it. So, to me, that makes it well worth it. I enjoy doing this. Let's see what we got. See if that changes anything. We're at 3/16 now. One more 16. Looks like quarter is going to be our sweet spot. And I'm bonehead because I went the wrong way. Yeah, still not enough. Once we get it squared up, what I'll do is I'll clamp her down to the table so she can't move while we finish fitting the rest up for it. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, measure falls on the floor. But anyways, like I said, this is a pretty simple dog cage. 4 sides, they'll be interconnected. You probably had enough of listening to me talk, so what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and go to time lapse. So yeah, I thought I had everything cut, and I totally forgot about this side here. I made my cut list and just totally left those pieces out. I figured it in the estimate, but I forgot to put it on my cut list. So we got 4 pieces of 1/2 inch that have to be 25 1/4 long, and then we'll have 10 pieces of the 3/8 round stock, 25 1/4. So we'll go ahead and get those cut, and then we'll get fitting the last couple. On these ones where they connect in, they're actually going to have a little piece of pipe, and they're just going to be welded onto the side. That way everything can slide in. The top pins on those actually have a hole through it, so they can put a cotter pin in it, so it all stay together and everything. And the bottom, I thought just one cotter pin would be enough and keep it from lifting up. So let's go ahead and get that stuff cut. You'll see me using my my homemade length thing. I don't remember what I called it, but anyways, got that attached to the saw, so I'll be able to just set that for the one measurement, go through, cut everything all at once. So it makes life a lot easier, and you'll see it a lot faster because I just have to pull the rod through and keep cutting. So now that we got it all tacked together, let's go ahead and dry fit everything. Make sure everything's going to fit okay. Like I said, it's a pretty simple design. Nothing too spectacular about it. Just want to make sure everything fits nice and it goes together well. Easy for the customer. Then I figured out how to fit the pins just right. They're a little sloppy, but that's okay. Like I said, they're not. Or the pipe and the round bar. A little tricky there. We'll get this last one in. And there you have it. Let's double check these measurements. The customer wanted, let me double check to make sure. He wanted it 60 inches long and 28 inches wide. So let's go ahead and make sure that's what we've got. A tiny bit bigger. It's center to center. Yeah, that's 60. And then 28. 28 to the outside of the pipes. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and get this welded up. So again, we'll go back to the time lapse. This one light is going to drive me crazy. It's flickering on me. But yeah, he said he had a top and a bottom for it. And this is, this is what he needed to fit, or the size is what he needed to fit. So that's what I made him. I think it looks pretty decent. Guys won't be able to get through. So let's go ahead and get it welded. So I realized afterwards that I forgot to tape all the welding, but I got some to clean up and probably didn't leave much of that in the video. So here is the final product. You can see now that, I know I showed you it with it tacked together, but I just want to show you with it cleaned up. I still got to paint it yet. And you can see right in the corner here, I have a pin, and all four corners have that pin on the top like that, like I was saying I was going to do. But simple, easy little project, nothing too hard. As always, I hope you like my content. Go ahead and subscribe, follow, comment, share, whatever. Maybe a thumbs up here and there. Either way, I appreciate anything. And any questions, I'll try to get back to you right away. Have a good day.